this is it. This is my MCU Phase 5 and Phase 6 tier list anticipation video. I'm so...
What? Hey, be quiet, Panda. Don't interrupt like that, please.
Guys, just wanted to say here. Remember that I said that I have 2 tapes that are coming in the mail? Well, I'm going to give you an update because I actually have a few more coming. So, 2 of them already arrived. I'm not going to tell you, so you have to wait till the video comes.
What? Hey! Be quiet down there, Panda! Don't be rude! No interrupting me, please! What? Hey! Be quiet, Panda! What? Hey, be quiet, Panda. I'm trying to have some fun moments here.